Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Sombili. In today's video, I will be cleaning out my kitchen. I'm going to be focusing on my refrigerator. I haven't cleaned this for a while now. In this video, I'm going to pull out everything and give it a thorough deep cleaning. So first, I'm going to start from the breakfast area. I'm just going to put back the breakfast plates in the dishwasher. I'm going to be running this later in the day. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Sombili and I have 3 kids aged 5, 6 and 7. It's so funny when I say that. People keep asking me, how did you do it? Anyway, if you love cleaning videos like this, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos surrounding cleaning and organization, and I would love to have you as a subscriber. I also have an engineer that is working on the washing machine. It's been leaking for a couple of months now. They've done several works on it. I'm just hoping that this will be the last time because he has spent a lot of time in the laundry room trying to fix that. I wanted to show you guys this amazing rack that I got from Amazon. You can put this over your sink. I love it. It comes really handy when I'm done washing in the night. You know, I can hang a couple of things here that I don't want to put on the sink, like my cleaning towel, the chopping board, and it's so easy to roll and put away. It doesn't consume a lot of space in the kitchen. I'm going to leave a direct link to it in my description box just in case you want to check it out. So now I'm just moving over to the fridge to pull out everything. I'm also going through the stuff that I have. You guys can see some of the things have expired. That's one thing with fridge. Sometimes they get so occupied that you don't even know what you have in there. So I've always noticed that this fridge never really gets cooled. Like I feel like my things usually just spoil and it always builds up these ice things. I didn't even know it was a fault, but luckily for me, while I was trying to pull out that ice, the engineer that was working on the washing machine saw me doing that and he has asked me to report it. That it means that the fridge is really bad, like the fridge is old and bad and they need to get rid of it. So I'm just going to follow up with the estate agent, you know, take a picture of the ice and send to them. Hopefully they get it fixed or this. that you ever see me wearing a sleeveless top. You guys, growing up, I've always been insecure about my arms. I've always felt like they look so fat and big. I've never really worn anything that shows my arm. But recently, I was going through my old pictures and I saw my old pictures. Oh my God, my arms look so beautiful. And, I started realizing that it wasn't that bad. Why was I so insecure about it? Up to when I was in high school, in college, I never exposed my arms. So that's to tell you something. Sometimes we have something in our head, we have this insecurity in our head that they don't really exist. So sometimes please just feel good about yourself. That thing that you think isn't beautiful, some other people are dying to have that. Like now, from now, I'm just gonna dress the way that I want to dress. If I want to wear a sleeveless top, I will wear a sleeveless top. I don't care if the mirror tells me the opposite, that my arms don't look good, that I need to cover it up. I'm just going to So finally, I'm in the living room now and I'm going to just do a quick pickup. I'm going to be cleaning up the living room and the dining. I think I also have a couple of laundry to fold. I will also be doing that as well. Thank you so much. If you watched up to this point, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoy it enough to make you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Okay, bye.